Hey, what's up, Andrew?
What's up?
Hey, today we're gonna do an advanced rolling video. You ready?
Yeah, dude.
All right. Hey.
Everybody's doing this. You should be able to do this by 18 or by 8 or 12.
The prerequisite for this is rolling. Can you roll in already?
Yes.
Okay, good. You want to show me?
Where?
This?
This?
We're gonna start small, and we're gonna pay attention to the details. Okay. Here we are in a 3.5 foot mini ramp. I want you to start back. Look how far back we are. We're probably, man, we're like 25 feet back. Okay. Now we're this far back, so you can push and get those feet set up to be prepared. Okay. When you're prepared, you can focus more on the coping and the timing. Don't rush yourself. All right, big deep breath, give it some pushes, get those feet set up. Awesome. When you look at the edge of the coping, sometimes the coping's a little bit lower. There's no shadow behind the coping. When I come over here where it's a little bit deeper and the coping sticks up more, there's more shadow and it's darker. So that means there's gonna be more bump. You're gonna have to lift up and take that weight off your back wheel so that your wheels bump up and kick your board up into your feet. Give it some pushes, get those feet set up, give it that little bump into your pump. That's right. Woo! Look at that backside rolling. Yup. Hey, show me frontside rolling. Awesome. That was sick. Was that scary?
No.
All right, come on, let's step it up.
Okay, where?
Time to make it more scary.
Where?
Come on. Try this one. This one's 4.5 feet. 4.5 foot mini ramp. Give it a push. Good. Nice and slow and feel those wheels. Awesome. Yup. Good job. Harder. Now, we're at 5.5 feet. It is a steeper transition. It could be 5.5 feet and be a mellow transition, but since it's steeper, that means the faster you go is the more you're gonna miss the ramp. You'll roll out further and land lower at the bottom of the ramp, and you don't wanna do that, right? You'll lose your speed and it'll be a rough landing. So that means you need to go a little bit slower and more precise with your manual into bumping your back wheels into your roll-in.
This is the one I need help on.
All right, I'll help you build some confidence here. Pay attention to exaggerating your bend down into your pump. So let me see you stand on your board. So, right when you land, yes, drop your butt to your board. You could do this. You could do it, brother.
Show the knuckles.
Ah, roll up to it and stop. Good, and evaluate. What do you think? Kinda gnarly, but kinda can do it, right?
Both.
Both, okay, good. Pick your spot where the coping doesn't stick up so much. Yup!
Go, Andrew.
That's it. Yeah. Easy?
Easy.
All right, good. Now, I want you to roll in right here. Go super slow, roll in and go to a knee slide. Go a little faster, roll in and then go to knee slide. Very good. This time, add to it again, roll in. Start riding down the ramp, then knee slide. Hey, fantastic. Ow! Go ahead, start back there, take your deep breath. Mentally commit. Come on, take your deep breath. You can do this. We're going together. We're going together, okay? Go ahead, stand up. Look at the ramp. The most important thing for you and everybody else is when you're looking where you want to roll in, you need to scout the park. You need to imagine where people might roll in or drop in front of you while you go, because they don't know that you're going to roll in. Sometimes you need to yell at people and say, hey, I'm rolling in. Say, I'm rolling in right now.
I'm rolling in right now and I'm gonna probably die.
Hey, well then you don't have to do it again.
Okay, good.
Are we going to do this?
Yeah.
Okay, tell everybody you're rolling in.
I'm rolling in!
All right, come on. Ready?
No,
Put that board down.
Josh. Oh no. Oh no.
Good, good, good. There you go. I'm right here with you. Take your deep breath. Say, I'm rolling in. One.
I'm rolling in!
All right, go. Keep going. Hey, that was sick. Dude, that was awesome.
So scared.
So if it gets sketched, just bend down into that landing. Hey, you didn't get wobbly, you didn't slam, okay? The only thing that's making it sketchy right now is you're nervous. So you feel all shaky, you don't feel comfortable, okay? But that's part of learning and skating. Hey, look at me. You're doing fantastic, dude, okay? I know it's scary, okay? I had to do it too. Really proud of you, man. The confidence is up. Now it's feeling easy. Now you're feeling happier, right? Yeah, some success. We're gonna push it again. We're gonna do a bigger one. Come on, I'm gonna help you. We're gonna do all this all over again, and hey, you'll get success again, and then you're gonna be like, wow, I can do this. I am good at skating. You keep feeding that. That's the mentality here. Come on. Here we are, 7-foot bowl. All right, here. Slide down here. Good. You can do this. I'm gonna help you. We're gonna work together to build that confidence. Start back here. Run fast up to the top.
What? Everybody see my butt?
So, what are we gonna do first? We're gonna grab our board. We're gonna start back here. We're gonna look at the coping. We're gonna stop ourselves. Now look at the BMXer. Whoa, see? Because are you looking around paying attention? See, that you need to always be looking around paying attention.
Yeah, this one right here is boom.
Look, I think this one right here is the good one. But I'll let you pick wherever you want, okay?
To get my confidence.
Get that confidence up. Hey, you need to mentally commit back there.
Okay.
Before you even push. If you keep moving, you're gonna do better. When you stand up there and just get stuck in your mind, you're getting nothing accomplished and just freaking yourself out. Right when that front foot goes up on that skateboard, you tell yourself, this is the one. You look up, make sure nobody's in the bowl. Make sure nobody's gonna drop in on you, okay? Tell everybody you're gonna roll in right now.
I'm gonna roll in!
Front foot goes up. You can do this. Go ahead.
This is the one.
That's it. That's it. Good job.
That actually felt a little sketchy because I pulled you.
That's okay. That's okay. Hey, let's keep moving.
Okay.
Come on. It's scarier, right? Because you don't have the confidence, you don't do this one, okay? But you know how to do it. So as you start to build trust in you, I'll help you roll in, you start to let go while you're in the air, okay? If you get sketched out, make sure you sink down low, okay? Then you can get to a knee slide.
Will you count that as by myself?
Show me. Tell everybody you're gonna roll in right now.
I'm rolling in!
Front foot goes up. Come on, commit to it. 1, 2, 3. Yep.
I did what you said!
So he did let go. Right as he bumped his back wheels, he did let go of my hand, and then he landed by himself. So we're making progress. Remember, just one finger. Front foot goes up. Tell everybody.
I'm rolling in!
Okay, go ahead.
Ready, Josh?
Good. In reality, I can't do anything with one finger. You realize that, right?
Right.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Good. Good. Much better. Now he's really starting to do it the right way. He's starting to slow down even more. That way he can land higher up in the ramp. Dude, you're doing so much better because you're actually starting to slow down by yourself. You're not rolling in as fast. You're trusting your lift up into bumping those back wheels and then leaning in so you can land higher on the ramp. That's how I do it. Like, when you get really good at this, you can just tic-tac on your board a couple times to roll super slow and just kind of hop and lean in. Just like a drop in. When you drop in, you're not moving, you're stopped, right? But all you need to do is just make sure you have a little bit of momentum to kind of get yourself over the coping, and then you're fine. I'm gonna stay up here. Ready, set. That's it, that's it. That's it. Can you do this?
Yes.
For sure.
Yes.
Confident.
Yes.
Okay, good. Take your big deep breath right now. Okay? What are you thinking?
I'm thinking that I'm gonna do it.
Do you trust me?
Yes.
Did you slam today?
No.
Did you roll in every time you've tried this? Can you do this?
Yes.
Tell me louder.
I can do this.
Good, back up. 1, 2, 3. Come on, focus. Roll up and stop. That's it. Hey, way to keep moving. Back up. Good. Remember to keep moving, Andrew. Turn the brain off. Keep moving. Look, now we got the other teammates coming. We got the emotional support here. Say, you're the man, bro. Pasha, what's up? The past video stars here. Go ahead, say. Woo!
Done this in like forever.
Come on, Pasha. Big deep breath. Commit to your rolling.
Right.
Into your pump. Yeah! Come on, one more. He can totally do it, huh? Yeah. You guys are, hey, they're laughing because they know you can totally do it. Like, you do it perfect, man. I guess we're done. It's okay. It's all right. Damn, I want him to do it so bad. Take your big deep breath right now. Boys, do one more. Or say, do one more for me. Come here, Andrew, watch him. We all know this feeling. We all had to go through this. You're not alone, dude. It's gnarly. That's it. Do you want to go home happy?
Yes.
I know you do, and I want you to too. Hey, this one's the one, okay?
2, 3.
Yeah! Hey! Yeah, dude! Woo! Hey, fantastic, man! Hey, yeah! You got it! Ah!
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey,
Thank you.
good job, dude. Good job, man.
I'm gonna do it again.
Hey,
That's
go
how
ahead.
quick it is.
Good, give me another one. Focus.
Okay.
Focus.
I'm gonna roll inside it.
Show me.
Easy.
Big deep breath. Yep.
Easy.
Awesome, dude.
It is easy.
Awesome. You guys really did help. Thank you. Hey, say thank you. They really did help inspire you. See? Hey, past students. Later. See you guys.
Later.
Good job today.
Hey Josh,
Huh?
you know what
Yeah, all right, get it. Woo! Hey, if you guys like this video and inspired you, hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel and share this channel with your friends so we can get more people learning. Try new tricks. Thank you. He knows the feeling too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we all do, man. Like if we're in a big bowl, like it's gnarly, man. And it's big.
It still gives you butterflies.
Yeah, it's big respect, man. Like we all know this feeling, dude. It's a special club.
What does it feel like?
Good. Good. I want to roll in like 100 more times.
Yeah, it feels fun, huh?
It's
All right.
easy.
Hey, I'm proud of you, man. Good job today.